Hi, it's Nuwave Primo Recipes. Today I'm going to be grilling up some chicken tenders and biscuits, both from frozen, in the Nuwave Primo Grill Oven. And this is pretty neat, so you don't want to miss it, and let's get started now. Alright, so here are my uncooked panko chicken breast tenderloins from the folks at Tyson. And the folks at Pillsbury have the Pillsbury Grand Southern Homestyle biscuits. Nothing in this video is sponsored. It comes by way of me buying it at Costco. It's how it comes here to you for this video. It's not like they ship this stuff to me. But anyway, I'm going to get a couple of these chicken breast tenderloins because these things are pretty large. So I'm just going to get like 2 of them and set them on the grill plate. So there's 2 of those on the grill plate. And I'm going to get a couple of biscuits. I'm not going to put the biscuits in yet. So let me just put a couple biscuits on this plate here. And I'm going to go ahead and get the cook kicked off, and then I'll just talk to you about the method for this thing. But we basically start by cooking with just the chicken tenders in there. So turn it on 400 degrees, 50-50 on the heating elements. The time, I'm going to bump that up to 20 minutes and hit start. And since this cooker is kind of quiet, I can actually talk while it's cooking. But here's the deal. If you try and cook biscuits without the plate being preheated, from cooking for a while, your biscuits don't rise right. And I found if you do like 350, they may not rise right. You have to basically let it run for a while, 50-50 at 400, and then you can throw your biscuits on. So usually I start cooking something like these chicken tenders after things are down to about 13 minutes remaining. After it's been heated up for about 7 minutes, I'm going to throw the biscuits on, let those cook the last 13 minutes of this cook, and you'll see how nice they'll fluff up. But you got to have things really nice and heated in there in advance. So I'm going to just let this cook for a while, and I'll bring you on back in a moment. Alright, so we're getting close to that 13-minute mark. Once we get there, I'll hit the pause, get the lid off, and go ahead and put those biscuits on there, and we'll see how those fluff up real nice. We are in this video, this is the first cook video where I'm using the new Nuwave Primo dome and base that I got, that I talked about back in the 30-day review video. So far it's been holding up well. Hit pause there. Everything's holding up well so far. Get my biscuits on. Just leave things just like they are. Oh wow. Whoa. Didn't have it on tight enough, I guess, but gonna turn it back on. 400 degrees. We'll continue our 13 minutes. So time 13. And now I'm going to hit start and let that time finish. But guess I didn't have it on tight. I never had that happen before with this new dome. I just didn't have it tightened on good enough. So I'll take the blame for that one. We'll let this continue cooking, and I'll bring you on back when it's done. But for now, you can enjoy the time lapse. Alright, so those biscuits have been going for just 10 minutes. It looks like they're already getting pretty hot on the bottom. I'm gonna pause here. Now I've gone 11 minutes. It went down to 2 minutes left. So they have about 11 minutes, but you can see that they're looking done. The bottom grill marks on your biscuit. How about that? Nice done grill mark biscuits. I'll go ahead and test these chicken tenders. I've usually done 20 minutes with them. But we'll see if they're already done with just 18 minutes. Let's see. And they are. They're real done. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. So basically about 10-11 minutes on your biscuits. Didn't even need 18 minutes on my chicken tenders. But depending on your size, it will vary. I've done usually 20 minutes because some of them are pretty large and this is uncooked chicken. So I would say, you know, always plan for 20 minutes, and if you're done quicker, then cool, be sure to check it. But I have had some chicken tenders, depending on their size, that needed that 20 minutes to fully heat. So I'm just going to get these all plated. Going to just give these a little bit of time to cool, and then we'll do our taste test. Alright, so we got your chicken and biscuits right here from Frozen, from the Nuwave Primo, and I want to show you the underside of the tender. You can see grill marks on that underside there. I like that very much. So let's start. You know, I don't know which I would start with, the chicken or the biscuit. Which one would you start with? Leave a comment and let me know if you take a bite from the chicken first or the biscuit first. I'm going to do the chicken first. So let's take a bite. Now we got our biscuit. Let's try our biscuit. Biscuits are so fluffy. Got to get some water in there to wash it down. But this works out great. The Primo just does great. Just has room for everything. Cooks everything up real fast. Puts some nice searing on everything. Totally enjoying the Primo. Totally enjoying it. And so basically you can get recipes, heating instructions, including this one, superwaveovenrecipes.com in printable form. You can always come to this YouTube channel by going to waveovenrecipes.com in your web browser, bring you directly to this YouTube channel. Also, I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Wave Oven Recipes. Always on Twitter if I got something new coming out on YouTube or on the blog. Always making posts to Twitter about it. So if you keep up with Twitter, you'll always know. Also, you can, also subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll know that way when there are new videos here. Also, share the video with a friend, and also, just good eating.